Hey folks, it's me. It's always me, Moist Andy. And today we're charging up this little generator on the drill. So we charge it up just the right amount. Through the capacitor there, it goes in. And we got this bright red flashlight going. So now that should be sufficient, I would imagine, to just trigger this on, and you shall see. We're gonna get this stroboscope flashing pretty good and bright. This is 350 volts, pretty much. Oh. Yeah, you guys see that? It's pretty bright. Ha. I did it. I got it. Perfect. And now it's flashing. It's so bright, dude. Alright. So this... Ooh. That's a brand new MOSFET, but it's already very, very hot. Ow. 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 And this light bulb here, though, it charges up with this lethal, dangerous, deadly voltage through the big old capacitor. This steps it up. I found this from a 3 volt 200 milliamp transformer from a little cord. So this, if you give it 12 volts through the primary, which is the secondary because you flip it around backwards, 12 volts through that 3 volt winding, and then that steps it up to 450 volts. You see what I'm saying? So this is a 30-to-1 step down transformer. I wind it backwards, step it up through the dynamo. This dynamo here, let me tell you right now, it works every time. Like, you put this on a bicycle, I'll tell you what,